there is an innate drive for us to achieve something, to go from point A to point B. And even the process of just thinking about a New Year's resolution, even though some of us don't follow it at all, you want to change an aspect of your life, be it physically. You promise to do more exercise in this year, or mentally and spiritually, or you just want to achieve a higher form of thinking. And what I understand now from my own experience is that whenever I lack something, whenever I'm unsatisfied with my current condition, whenever I'm bored with life, the more I feel this drive to do something, to achieve something, and to question whether is this what life has to offer? Is this what all life has to offer? And I think that drive for us to do something with our lives might be the gap that allows us to achieve the goals that we have. That's why YouTube channel on self improvement are almost always urging men to stop pornography and so stop watching pornography, of course masturbating, and video games. Why? Because these things numb you to that desire to do something great with your life, to achieve something. These things, these activities gives you this false and fleeting sense of, you know, accomplishment and security, where you feel like at this moment right now, as you are doing the activity, the deed, everything you have, everything you would ever want is here, and that you are satisfied in this moment. That's why your brain starts to say you don't need to change at all. You don't need any change at all. And as you do this often and long enough, your body and your mind will start to default in these kinds of activities when life gets tough, or when you again have that urge to do something with your life. And you won't even notice that your life will spiral down to a life where you may regret later. To be frank, as I first heard these kinds of message, I almost didn't start the self-improvement journey, because I love to play video games. I love to do it so much that even after graduating from college, I would do it at work, do it when I'm not in work, do it in all my free time, including when I'm in the toilet. And I would even sacrifice social gatherings and my sleep just so I could attend the clan events. That's how addicted I was. But let me go on a tangent here and say that because a lot of people don't acknowledge mobile gamers as gamers, but I would call myself one because of the sheer amount of hours that I put into it. But I can't say to you right now that I have overcome that. I have overcome this addiction. I still would want to play video games, but I don't have the urge to do it every single day. I can't even stop totally playing video games. And as I think about it now, the things that helped me the most was that I had a crappy laptop and I didn't have the money to buy consoles. This one I struggle to let go. And it's shameful to admit on camera, but I still haven't overcome this addiction completely. It it came to a certain point where I would watch porn and masturbate every single day. That's how deprived I was. And I just recently got a handle on this. But I can't truthfully say in front of you right now that I have overcome this struggle, this addiction. But I realized that if I won't be honest with you, that I would be this perfect guy that you would want to follow. You won't understand how hard it is, how how devastating it is when you go on this no fap streaks and then just one day you relapse. It feels like you don't have a hope of overcoming this. And I know some of you would try to make excuses why video games is not bad for them, pornography is not bad for them if they just do it moderately. But think about it. We want to improve ourselves, but we can't even do the bare minimum of doing a workout a day. Yet you still want to protect these bad habits from you. These are just things that would hinder you. And it's a struggle, I think. It is a struggle. But if we are serious enough and we really want to achieve our goals, I think having that desire to do something, to be uncomfortable, and try to do something better with your life, I think that is what we need to overcome the entertainment of this of in all around us. This uncertainty where can I really change myself? Can I really be the man that I want to become? That desire might be our only power to overcome these things. that desire might be the only thing that will make or break our success. The desire to do something and achieve something great within our lives. I hope you have gotten something out of this video. But as always, that's all for the video. See you in the next one.